Hello viewers, welcome or welcome back to our YouTube channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write an essay or paragraph on myself. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Firstly, you need to start with your name and age. Here, for example, I am writing, my name is Varun Sood. I am 12 years old. Next, you have to go ahead with your class and school name. Here, for example, I am writing, I study in class 7 of Kendriya Vidyalaya. Next, go ahead with your address and your family details. Here, for example, I am writing, I live in Mayur Vihar with my parents and younger sister. Next, you have to form a sentence using some descriptive adjectives about you. Here, for example, I am writing, I am an enthusiastic learner with a passion for exploring new things. I am also an avid reader and I love reading books on a wide range of topics. From science to history to fantasy. Next, you can write about your hobbies or interests. Here, for example, I am writing, apart from academics, I have a keen interest in sports and I enjoy playing cricket and badminton with my friends. I have a friendly and outgoing personality and I enjoy spending time with my friends and family. I am also a creative person and I enjoy drawing and painting in my free time. I am curious and inquisitive, always asking questions to gain a deeper understanding of the world around me. My parents are my biggest supporters and they encourage me to pursue my interests and hobbies. Next, you can write about your parents, your family, or your friends. Here, for example, I'm writing, they have taught me the importance of hard work, honesty, and perseverance, which I try to apply in my daily life. Lastly, conclude with your life goal and the impact that it is going to make in the society. Here, for example, I'm writing, I aspire to become a scientist one day and make a positive impact on the world through my research.